Hey guys, it's Emily. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a textured canvas with spackling. Let's get on with the video. What you're going to need is a canvas of any size, a putty knife, and spackling. You want to start by scooping up the spackling with your putty knife. Then you want to spread the spackling on the canvas, and you want to keep spreading and layering it until you're done. The size of my canvas is 11 by 14 inches, and one container of the spackling I used almost completely covered the canvas. So if you want to use a larger canvas, make sure you get more than what you need. Also, the spackling I got goes on pink, and when it's dry, it's white. When you're done putting the spackling on the canvas, you can wait for it to dry by following the instructions on the container. Or if you use the same spackling I used, you'll know it's dry when it's white. When it's dry, you can hang it up. That's how you make a textured canvas. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY, and if you like this video, subscribe to see more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!